Welcome to YouTube channel Life Skills. Please like, share and subscribe the channel Life Skills. Press the notification button to get the latest videos on motivation and life skills. Lockdown, increased cases of coronavirus, patient sanitization, social distancing. All these terms are quite stress enhancers. It seems very difficult and quite boring to follow the norms for COVID-19. It is difficult to spend every day idly. We are capable of doing a lot of things, yet we are unable to perform anything. Stress is increasing day by day. It is quite monotonous what to be done so that stress or depression level may not increase. Let us discuss story of a cute girl named Cinderella. Cinderella was very gorgeous and kind girl. She was dear to her parents. But times take turn and her life changed. Cinderella's mother died. Cinderella's father thought that he had a vast business empire, so he got married with a lady with two girls to take care of Cinderella. Cinderella's stepmother had two girls, namely Vanilla and Manila. They were not very beautiful. Both of them were quite envious from Cinderella. Cinderella's father was as affectionate towards Cinderella as he was before his second marriage. But Cinderella's stepmother did not like Cinderella. Cinderella was sore in their eyes. Cinderella's stepmother started creating nuisance for Cinderella as soon as her father left for his business in another country. She did not give her proper meals. She neither gave Cinderella a proper place to live nor for proper clothes to wear. Her stepmother instructed her to do all household chores like a slave. Cinderella's stepmother always tortured her and misbehaved with her. There was no one who could listen to Cinderella. There were 7 white mice. She used to share her grief with them. She could not tell her father, about her sorrow by way of letter or phone due to unnecessary pressure of the stepmother. In the meantime, the prince of that state invited all the young, talented, beautiful girls for the purpose of his marriage. The prince declared that he would marry a girl amongst all girls. Cinderella, who was actually a rich person's daughter, but she was living in a miserable condition. Cinderella's stepmother and her 2 daughters left no stone unturned to humiliate Cinderella. Despite all such odd circumstances, Cinderella was dreaming about her marriage with the prince and looking for an opportunity to reach to the prince. He requested her stepmother to allow her to go to the palace for party, but her stepmother denied and said, "You look like a maid. The prince will never marry you. My daughters are beautiful, they look gorgeous in their beautiful dresses. The prince will certainly marry one of them." Cinderella sat and started crying a lot on her misfortune and thought that her stepmother was correct. She thought, "I neither look beautiful nor do I have any beautiful dress, and furthermore there are no conveyance available to go to the palace." When she was crying, a fairy saw her. Cinderella narrated all her agony. The fairy asked for a pumpkin and 7 rats. She made 6 rats horses and 1 rat driver and made a beautiful Vaoshe with the magic. Fairy gave beautiful dress and sandals to Cinderella. She was looking gorgeous and pretty girl. Fairy gave her instruction to reach before 12 at night, otherwise all her magical things would disappear other than her clothes and sandals. Cinderella reached in the party. She was looking so beautiful that her stepsisters could not identify her. The prince fell in love with Cinderella at the first sight. He started dancing with her. At 11:45, Cinderella recalled Fairy's instructions and immediately left the place. Cinderella left her one sandal there in a hurry. Prince searched Cinderella in the whole state with the help of the sandal. Cinderella laughed in the party. Cinderella's stepmother did not give consent to Cinderella to wear the sandal. But the soldier who was sent by the prince, said as per prince's instructions, she had to try to wear it. Cinderella's stepsisters tried to wear the sandal, but it was not fit for them. When Cinderella wore it, it was perfect in size. Cinderella took out another sandal and wore it too. All were very surprised. The prince came with her father, who was the king of the state, gave permission, and then they got happily married and enjoyed their life. The story you might have heard or read before, but we shall discuss it in another way, in a different way altogether. Coronavirus has annoyed us just like stepmother. Before the presence, we were leading a normal life. Patience and faith in God are two things which are two magic of the fairy, which helped getting out of negative environment. Lockdown period will increase if we do not follow these rules, just like the magic vanishes after tour. As the prince searched her Cinderella with the help of her one sandal, similarly positive approach will take us towards beautiful life. As Cinderella's life became more pleasant, similarly our lives will be more beautiful than before. Some people committed suicide, seeing increased rate of COVID-19 cases. Some died due to depression. We shall have to fight with corona and defeat it. Do not get disappointed or sad. We shall have to live life with caution and observing the norms. Only then we shall be able to make life beautiful and successful. All the best to win the battle with corona. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Life Skills. Press the notification button to get the latest videos on motivation and life skills.